put the shake down in here. Are you kidding me?
That's how you start a morning right there.
Well guys, after the last couple days, we were so dejected that we didn't even film an intro. So Luke went home, just me and Garrett again, so we decided we were going to see if it was Luke that was bad luck or we just needed to find a new area.
Look how slow it's turning. Look how slow. Because it's so cold. Did I not hit him?
You hit him. He's down.
Whew.
Yeah, that was exciting.
How's that for 1940 right now?
Sneaking up freaking back door.
I barely heard that little... He was so close I knew, and I was like, what is he doing? Where did he come from? Where did you see him?
Right here.
Are you serious?
I caught him out of the corner of my eye.
So like 15, 20 yards away.
Yeah, I didn't dare kiss. Did you hear me just do the little tiny squeak?
I barely heard that, and I was like, did he kiss? And I panned over and I seen your hand up on the camera. I was like, oh shit, he's right here. Yeah, I didn't dare move when he was looking back that first time. I was like, we're in the shade, we're good, wind's in our favor. Whew.
That's the first coyote I've seen come in like 2 days.
It's been a while. Oh man.
Well guys, that is the first coyote I have seen come to a call in almost 2 days. Well, we got him. Where'd you hit him? Low?
Everyone.
High?
What's that?
Oh, high, good, good. Yeah, just behind the shoulder.
Behind the shoulder.
Perfect. Right on. So yeah guys, after yesterday's big goose egg, we've decided it's official. Luke is bad luck in Nevada. Maybe not just Luke, maybe the combination of Luke and Garrett. We're not really sure yet, but yeah, we couldn't kill crap with Luke, so sorry Luke, you're not invited anymore. At least not out here. You're still invited to other states.
Clearly we're just messing with you, Luke. You're always invited. This tall sage and rolling flat terrain is so hard to hunt, guys. Everything has to be perfect or you're not going to get these coyotes killed. Sometimes it's worth the risk, sometimes it's not.
I'm really glad he had basically no wind to circle.
Yeah, what little wind we had was right in our face.
Yeah. Man, he disappeared forever.
He did. The way he'd come off the hill, I thought he'd really... I saw him only through that whole bottom only like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah. Bird up good, just a small coyote.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Good looking coyote, just
Yeah, it is.
Not very big. Well, guys, that sucked. That one got away. It's one of them deals when you're hunting this just low rolling thick stuff. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. You know, you got to make the best of it. But this is really about all there is out in this country. And honestly, we're running out of country to hunt. So at least that we know anyway. So we're trying to just maximize it as much as we can. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but not too bad. We're 2 for 3 so far this morning. That's all right. We'll keep going. Well, guys, that's a bunch of crap. We've been driving around out here since what, our 4th stand. Called one in and ended up not getting it, and seen 4 more coyotes. They're just walking around these flats, but can't call one in for some reason. So I think we're gonna go up the road just a little bit, get into a little bit thicker stuff. I just don't think they want to play out in this open stuff in the bright sunshine warm day like this. So we're gonna go up the road. Look, guys, once again that sucked. Had a double come screaming in, but from the downwind side, which is 3 of the 4 sides right now because the wind won't pick a direction. 3 of the last 3 stands have had 3 different wind directions, not making things easy.
Boy, guys, I gotta get better at wiping off the lens before we get on a stand. I must have a lot of dust in my truck.
All right, guys, we haven't done a tip of the day in a while because I won't lie, we just been kind of grinding it out trying to get this 100 filled before we have to really feel the pressure on the last couple of days. So we still have, I think, 8 days left, and we need 15 dogs basically. No, 12 dogs right now. So well, we got plenty of time. We're feeling pretty good about it, but we don't want to be feeling the pressure any more than we already are. So anyway, tip of the day is, when you sit down on a stand, take mental note of where all the little white patches are and the little dark things that you think might be coyotes, because when a new one shows up, that's when you know a coyote's here.
Pretty one.
Good looking coyote.
Yeah. I'll bet you money, coming from this direction, that's that dog we seen in the
I'll bet it was.
Because he was just over the other side of that ridge.
Yep.
When we come up around here.
I bet he came up through that saddle.
He was about 10 minutes getting here.
Yep.
I'll bet money it was that one we seen down there.
Once again, guys, that light swirly wind got us. When we sat down, it was good, and then he got a little too close and it wasn't so good. Well, since we didn't fire a shot and it was a first sequence dog, we kept calling, and wouldn't you know, he circled back and stood exactly where he came from. I really don't know how they know to stop behind the brush, but it seems like they do every time.
Nice shot, dude. Nice shot.
I guarantee that's the one we called in.
Dude, these coyotes been shot at before.
I guarantee that's the one that we called in.
Yep.
Steady as I could be, and I just...
Yeah, that's a nice big old pretty dog.
Yeah,
Heck yeah. I cannot believe you hit that, dude. That was a shot. Nice work, man.
You might smell us after we ran out.
Oh, I know.
Beat daylight.
Yeah, guys, so sometimes video is instrumental in finding your coyotes. We never would have found this thing. No, at least not before dark.
I went up there and I walked this whole edge. I thought he was right on.
Oh, guys, I didn't have the rangefinder on me, so I paced it off. 430 yards. Nice shot.
Garrett kissed on this one, and I had no idea where this coyote was at. I just knew it was close because it was a tight stand.
Hell yeah. 90.
90, baby.
Nice spot, dude. I didn't even see him.
You didn't. I don't know if that brush is that tall, but he wasn't really coming in. I saw him right there, and I just...
Nice work, dude. Get her done.
We got 10 to go, son.
Get her done, dude.
Guys, you don't even understand. This has been absolutely a blast, but it has been a grind. We've had good days, we had great days, we had bad days. Today wasn't, I mean, we ended up with 5 today, right here, last stand right at dark. But it's awesome. We got 10 to go. And honestly, every time I put my crosshairs on a coyote, I feel the pressure. I'm not even kidding you, I do. And I've never felt that. I don't know, I mean, I've hunted competitions, everything, and I've never felt that pressure, but for some reason I do. Because we don't want to let you guys down, because if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be out here doing what we're doing. So thank you. We're gonna go pick this guy up.
Hell yeah. It's number 90, boys and girls.
Number 90.
Heck yeah.
And we still got...
What's today, 22?
Today's day 22, guys. Which is real good, because I won't lie, on day 21, we didn't kill a coyote. Granted, the wind was blowing 30 miles an hour. We still gave her hell, but we're stoked, guys. 10 to go.
So close. Let the countdown begin.
All right, guys, that's a wrap on day 22 today. Put 5 down. Honestly, it was kind of a grind. We got a couple this morning, went all day dry, and then hustled fast and made 2 stands right before dark. I know it doesn't look like it's dark because that camera picks up so well. But our last 2 stands, got this big old, now you can tell that was just a couple minutes ago, he's still fresh. That wasn't even the last one. But got this one, got pretty lucky, made a long shot of 430 yards on him. No rangefinder. What's that?
Pretty lucky.
Pretty lucky, really lucky. No rangefinder, just shooting the judge, my 250. Put it just a little over his back and touched it off and piled him. But guys, that's a wrap on day 22, like I said, and that puts us at 90 coyotes, guys. We've got 10 more to go. Our goal at the end of today was to be at 90. And I won't lie, we were kind of struggling a little bit because I didn't think we were going to get there because it was such a dry day. But these last couple stands, we made it. So thank you guys for your support. Thank you to all our partners for all your support. If you have any questions about our partners, click the link on our website that says partners on there. Also here on YouTube, you can check that out. Click those as well. Go over and check them out. Head over to our website and purchase any hats, hoodies, t-shirts, anything like that. The money you spend there, guys, is what is gonna keep us out in the field, keep us going, keep us able to keep bringing you guys as many videos as we are and get out in the field as much as we do. And also we'll be donating 10% back to charity at the end of this whole thing. So all sales made this month, we will donate 10% back as a thank you to you guys and just trying to help out in the hunting community where we can. So thank you guys again. Wrap on day 22. 23 tomorrow. Might be our last day out here before we head home for a day or so and just hunt locally around there, but we'll get that figured out as the weather plans out. So thank you guys for the support.